Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Grace. Today we are going to read all about animals. We're going to use this nonfiction text to review addition concepts. I'm going to read the story with you and you are going to solve some math problems. All about animals. Go ahead and write your name on your page. This is mine, Miss Grace. And we can see in the front, there's a penguin and a little chick. The giraffe is the tallest land animal in the world. Adult giraffes are 13 to 17 feet tall. Newborn giraffes are about 6 feet tall. A group of 5 giraffes drinks water at a watering hole. A group of 5 giraffes eats leaves from trees. How many giraffes are there in all? So we have 5 giraffes who are drinking from the watering hole, and then a group of 5 giraffes who are eating leaves. The question asks, how many giraffes are there in all? In all helps us know that we are adding to find the total number of giraffes. So we need to write the number sentence. 5 giraffes at the watering hole plus 5 giraffes eating leaves equals blank giraffes. Well, I know that's a doubles. 5 plus 5 equals 10 giraffes. Make sure if I write and I'm doing things, you're writing along and following in your page. You can always pause this video if you need to solve the problem as we go as well. All right, our next animal is the ostrich. It is the largest bird in the world. Ostriches cannot fly, but they can run fast. Ostrich eggs weigh about 3 pounds each. Several ostriches will lay eggs in a shared nest. There are 6 eggs in a nest. Then 5 more eggs are put in that nest. How many eggs are in the nest now? So my word problem is down here. So there are 6 eggs in the nest to start. Then 5 more eggs are put in the nest. How many eggs are in the nest now? So if I'm starting with 6 and I'm adding 5 more, I need to write an addition number sentence. So 6 plus 5 equals blank eggs in the nest now. Go ahead and solve that number sentence of 6 plus 5. And the little science question down here says, how do ostriches care for their young? Well, we know that they put their eggs in a nest. I thought it was interesting that they have shared nests. Kangaroos can move quickly by jumping with their 2 back legs. When they are moving slowly, they use all 4 legs. Here's our math problem. Western gray kangaroos live in groups called mobs. There are 8 kangaroos in a mob. 4 more kangaroos join the mob. How many kangaroos are in the mob in all? So I want to circle my important numbers. 8 kangaroos in a mob. 4 more kangaroos join the mob. And now we're looking for how many are in all. How many kangaroos in all? So I need a number sentence. Starting with 8 and then 4 more come. So I know that's an addition number sentence. My number is 8 and 4. Go ahead and solve to find the total number of kangaroos in all. Science question says, how do kangaroos care for their young? Maybe you know some facts about kangaroos and how they care for their young. I know they keep them in a pouch. Remember, you can always pause so you don't feel rushed as I read through this. Wild boars like to eat roots. They use their tough snouts to dig. Wild boars can be up to 6 feet long. Wild boars live in groups called sounders. There is one sounder of 14 boars. If 7 of the boars are eating, how many boars are not eating? So this one has, in the sound, there are 14 total boars. 7 of them are eating. We're looking for how many are not eating. So we could think of this number sentence in 2 different ways. We could think of an addition one, or we could think of a subtraction one. So if there's 14 total, we're taking 7 that are eating and subtracting that to say how many are not eating. And I could think of that as 7 eating plus something not eating equals 14 total. So I could think of it as addition or subtraction because they are so related to each other. And solve and put your answer on the line. Moose are the largest kind of deer. Male moose have antlers that may be 5 to 6 feet wide. Moose can trot and gallop. They are also good swimmers. A ranger saw 7 moose in the morning and 6 moose in the afternoon. How many moose did the ranger see that day? So we see 7 in the morning and 6 in the afternoon. How many did he see that day? So the whole day. I want you to write a number sentence here to find the answer. Remember, a number sentence has to have an addition or a subtraction sign. 7 in the morning, 7 in the afternoon. How many did he see that day? This page wants you to write about the story. It says choose one kind of animal. Draw a picture and write your own story about that kind of animal. Use addition in your story. So it wants us to use addition in our story. Okay, and there's some words here that we could say add and in all. There's a giraffe, an ostrich, and a kangaroo. So maybe my story is, let's see. There's my giraffe. Maybe there's one giraffe eating some leaves. And then 2 more. Oh. Come along. Miss Grace is not the best artist. 2 more come along. How many giraffes are there in all? So 1 giraffe. Eats from a tree. 2 more giraffes. Join him at the tree. Period. Now I need a question. How many giraffes are there in all? And I end that with a question mark. So I have a math sentence. I have my numbers, 1 giraffe, and then my other number, 2 more come. How many giraffes are there in all? And my math words. So you are going to pick an animal and write a story and draw a picture, just like the ones we have been reading. This page says, how many eggs are there? Draw more ostrich eggs in each nest. Write an addition sentence below each nest to show how many eggs are in each nest now. So this nest here, this is one nest, and this is two nests. This is two different problems. This nest has 3 eggs to start. It wants you to draw more eggs to show how many are in each nest now. So this one has 3, so you could draw more. I drew 5 more, and then I would get a number here. Same over here. You're starting with 2, and you're going to add some more eggs to get a final answer. And you can pick how many eggs to draw. We're going to skip that one. This is introducing chapter 3, which is basic facts and relationships. The last page you're going to do is called Show What You Know. So you need to read the directions and solve each problem. This one's first section says use symbols to add. Use the picture. Use plus and equal to complete each addition sentence. So you need to add a plus sign and an equal sign to make the addition sentences true. So 3 blank 1 blank 4. So you have 3 apples plus a green apple, and then how many apples altogether. This section down here says sums to 10. The direction says write the sum. So you need to add. Sum is the sum is the answer to an addition problem. So 4 plus 3, and you write your answer down here. Do all of those. The last section says doubles and doubles plus 1. Write the addition sentence. So we have a number here. Then we're doing something to that. We're adding another number. And then we're going to equal an answer. So you're going to do the same with number 9. All right, boys and girls, thanks for joining us for math, and we will see you soon. Remember, you can go back and listen to this video and pause it as needed.